Okay, let's now talk about Studio Link and what does it mean. It's a very powerful feature available for Affinity software. Like in this case, we're talking about Affinity Publisher, and it is unbelievably powerful thing that is, I think it's not even available for Adobe, and it's like the Adobe Link but even more powerful. So that means that you can access Affinity Studios, not Affinity Photos and Affinity Designers features from the Affinity Publisher software, presuming that you have purchased these two software. So for example, if I take this picture of the wood, maybe I don't like how it looks. Maybe I want to change it. Maybe I want to work on it in Affinity Photo and change it somehow. Maybe I don't like its colors. Maybe I want to edit it somehow. In another cases, what I needed to do probably is to download this photo outside of the Affinity Publisher from unsplash.com, open the Affinity Photo web software, upload the photo there, work there, export it, and then import it back to Affinity Publisher. Tedious, right? Not anymore. If you have Affinity Photo, all you need to do is to access the persona that you want. So if you want to work on photo, like let's in Affinity Photo, all you need to do is to press photo persona, and look what will happen right now. Boom. And suddenly Affinity Publisher has transformed into Affinity Photo. The things have changed on the top, the tools have changed right here. Mind that this is not 100% full Affinity Photo. There will be some things that missing, like the Affinity Photo personas, etc, etc. But as you can see, it looks so good. You can work and make quick adjustments that you want right from then and there. For example, I want to go to an adjustments and I want to adjust maybe something. Let's see. Maybe I want to adjust maybe curves. Let's say where curves. No, let's say I want the brightness and contrast. That's what I was looking at actually. I want to decrease the brightness a bit and I want to increase the contrast. That's what I want. For example, I want something like this. That's all I need to do. Great. The photo has been changed and it will reflect in the layers as well. And all I need to do is just to return to Affinity Publisher. That's it, guys. That's it, guys and girls. Sorry. It's very, very cool thing to do. For example, do you want to draw something right to an Affinity Publisher and all you have in Affinity Publisher is a pen tool? No more. All you need to do is go to the designer persona and all the tools are available there for you. All the designer tools are available there for you, my friends. Very simple, very cool, very amazing. As you can see, even some things are changing. Like for example, stock has jumped right here. So effects are here. Styles even are adding. Their brushes are available right here. The things are changing. For example, if I want to draw like with this brush, I'm gonna do and just change with a brush or something like that. And oh, sorry, it's a wrong tool. It's a vector brush tool. Yeah. You can add a brush if you want. For example, if I want to draw, I'm drawing in the wrong layer. I can draw like this if I want. Very amazing thing. Oh yeah, my computer is lagging, but yeah, that's a cool thing to have. And now what I will do is I will delete every single thing that I added because I don't need them. When you add anything that you want, return to Affinity Publisher and continue working. This is extremely powerful feature to have. Just be mindful that in order to access these features, you need to have Affinity Designer and or Affinity Photo, depending on whatever you want to use. So this is a powerful feature that you should use because Affinity Suite applications, they do not cost that much, and buying all three of them is just a great investment. So this is my opinion. This is absolutely about you. I will try to not use them. Now I will try to not use the Studio Link, but from time to time in the lectures, I might use them. Just be mindful of that. If I will use them, that means in your case, you need to export the photo. In this case, for example, you need to export this wooden photo. Look at how it looked before and after. It's like much better. You needed to export this photo somewhere else. Edit them somewhere else, for example, on Photoshop, maybe on Canva, maybe on any other software that you have, on Lightroom or whatever, and then you need to re-import them again. That's what it means. In my case, if I'll need to edit something, I will just switch the persona, and that's all that I will need to do. Well, this will be it for the Studio Link, and let's go to the next lecture.